I purchased this aquarium vacuum a few months ago to change the water in my 10-gallon aquarium faster. It arrived in this box, which I keep to store it after each use. I like how it includes a switch to turn the vacuum on and off without having to disconnect it. The length of the pole is adjustable, by the way. The vacuum comes with several attachments and can be used in multiple ways. It has a brush head, a sand washing head, a sand vacuum, the intake cover, a shower with a filter bag, a water hole, and a water intake for removing dirt. The manual shows the many ways to set it up depending on how you wish to use this vacuum. I honestly don't use most of these attachments, but a few of them have been handy, especially the intake cover, which secures the vacuum to the bottom of my fish tank. It's time to clean the water in my aquarium, and I set it up very easily. You place the vacuum inside the tank, secure it to the wall with a clip, and now place the hose where you want the dirty water to be disposed. The hose is very long, which is great, but it's too long for me, so I just realized I can cut it. You plug the pump in, turn on the switch, and it starts pumping. It is surprisingly quiet, and it emptied my 10-gallon tank very fast, in about 2 minutes. Some debris was left at the bottom, so I decided to use this attachment to remove it. I scrubbed the tank walls a bit to complete the cleaning, and now my beautiful axolotls have a clean water tank again. I am very happy with my purchase. My name is Gabby. Thanks for watching my review.